Volcano experiment. I'm Prayag. I'm in 3rd grade. A volcano is an opening in a planet's surface which allows hot magma to escape from below. A tectonic plate. Volcanoes are generally found where tectonic plates meet. And the Ring of Fire is the most common area where 75% of the map world is volcanoes.
Can we see it?
No. Actually, we are done with
This region is called the Ring of Fire.
Just we cleaned up.
There are 3 main types of volcanoes: shield, cinder, and stratovolcano. A shield volcano is large and it's sloping. An example is Mauna Kea in Hawaii, USA. A cinder cone volcano has steep sides and is shaped like a cone. An example is Auckland, New Zealand, and Capelin volcano in New Mexico, USA. A stratovolcano is cone-shaped with steep sides. It gives off gas, ashes, and rocks. It's built of layers of lava. An example of it is Mount St. Helens in Washington and Mount Fuji in Japan. And there are 3 classes of volcanoes: extinct, dormant, and active. Extinct volcanoes such as One Tree Hill have never erupted. Dormant volcanoes like Mauna Kea have erupted at more than 10,000 years ago and might erupt another day. Active volcanoes have erupted in the last 10,000 years. So if a volcano erupted 7,500 years before, it's still active. There are 5 types of eruption: Hawaiian, Strombolian, Volcanian, Vesuvian, and Pelian. Hawaiian is a very quiet, flowing, thin fluid lava. It may erupt as a fountain. Strombolian, it makes short blasts at regular times. It spouts out lava and all sizes of tephra. Tephra is solid rock. Volcanian eruptions often begin blowing apart away of the mountain. A series of loud explosions may follow for some time. And then ash and tephra are blasted skyward at high speed. Vesuvian, it can last for days. Huge amounts of ash and gases are blasted out at several hundred miles per hour. A thick ash cloud rises from the peak. Vesuvian, this eruption can last. Pelian, this type of eruption is very destructive. It can destroy anything in its path, and lava can go downhill as fast as 100 miles per hour. That's about as fast as a race car. And that's way faster than you can go on a car on the highway. And then there's 3 types of lava: Pahuhu lava, A'a lava, and Pillow lava.
Can you say the names again?
Pahuhu lava, A'a lava, and Pillow lava. Pahuhu lava is thin and flows smoothly. And then they look like twisted rope when it cools. A'a lava is thick and sticky. It flows more slowly. And it's so jagged and sharp that it can cut through your shoes.
Okay.
Pillow lava is the most common type of lava. It can be found on the bottom of ocean floors. It happens when lava contacts with water. It cools underwater and forms the rock. There's 5 types of tephra. Ash is the smallest kind of tephra. It ranges from very fine to rather coarse grains. They rise in clouds above the volcano. It fills the air for miles around. Blocks are larger chunks of rock with sharp sides. They can measure more than a foot in width. Blocks were solid when they were blown out of the volcano. Bombs begin as molten lava and harden as they're in the air. They're shaped as a pear. If they roll down the mountain, there's a good chance that it's very round. Pumic is a volcanic rock, very lightweight. It has a lot of holes, and it's used for concrete, heavy-duty cleaners, toothpaste, and pencil erasers. Basalt is the most common volcanic rock on Earth. It's found at the bottom of every ocean. Crushed basalt is used as a pave because it's widely spread, inexpensive, and stands up to heavy traffic. Obsidian is a shiny volcanic glass. Because it doesn't form enough minerals while cooling, you can flake it out really easily. Olden people use it as spears, jewels, mirrors, and masks.
Can you export it again?
Oh, we just cleaned it.
Can you hold on, please? We're just
It's okay.
taping it down.
It's okay.
Fertile fields.
Pragya, move.
Now, as rain and snow slowly erode the surface of any volcano, it forms very fertile soil. So farmers, like on the extinct volcano of Rwanda, farmers grow acres and acres of land inside the crater and out of it. The materials I used were vinegar, baking soda, and food color. We put 2 to 3 teaspoons of baking soda inside the bottle here, and then mix food color with the vinegar inside a bottle, and then pour vinegar into this bottle. And the baking soda is at the bottom. Explanation: the acetic acid inside the vinegar reacts with the sodium bicarbonate in the baking soda and forms carbonic acid. But because carbonic acid is unstable, it immediately pulls away from the water inside and tries to escape. But because carbon dioxide is more heavier than air, it just flows down and creates a lava effect. Volcano experiments done with other materials are yeast, warm water, honey, and food color. Yeast in warm water start eating up the sugar in the honey and produces carbon dioxide and alcohol. The carbon dioxide tries to escape and flows out like lava, but it's more frothy.
And it was a slow eruption.
Yeah. And then the references are look inside volcano fields. Be a volcanologist, volcanoes and other natural disasters inside volcanoes, biggest ever book of questions and answers, and volcanoes inside and out. Well, that's the end of my show.
So what did you do the volcano with?
Oh, I put the vinegar, I put the 2 to 3...
No, what material did you use to make the volcano?
Oh, I used a gap filler called Great Stuff, and after it hardened after the whole night, we painted it.
Very nice. Impressive. Very nice, Prayag.
Thank you.
Stay there. Let me take a